Hello my friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we want to make this super easy blanket pattern. This pattern is 2 rows repeated, and I made it with Alize Baby Best yarn and 3.5 millimeters hook. You can use this pattern for many projects. If you're ready, let's get started. Start the work with a slip knot and make a multiple of 5 chains plus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chain again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and repeat that to reach the desired size for the pattern, and at the end add 2 chains. I made 37 chains, and now start the work from second chain, skip the first and go to next chain and make 1 single crochet. Again, go to next chain and make 1 single crochet into that and repeat that. We have to make 1 single crochet into each chain of foundation chains, and I repeat this work until the end of the row. Now I'm at the end of row 1 and start next row with 4 chains. 1, 2, 3 and 4, and turn the work. Then yarn over twice and make 1 treble crochet into second stitch here. Insert the hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, pull through 2, pull through 2 and pull through 2. Again, yarn over twice, go to the next stitch and make 1 treble crochet into that. Yarn over twice and make 1 treble crochet into next stitch. I repeated this work 3 times, and now I want to make 1 puff stitch around all of these 3 stitches. Yarn over, insert the hook here into this space after these 4 chains, and grab the yarn from the back and pull through 1 more time. Insert the hook into the space, yarn over, pull up a loop. 1 more time, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, insert the hook into the space and pull up a loop, and repeat that for last time. Okay, now insert the hook into next stitch and yarn over, pull through all loops on the hook. And after that, insert the hook into next stitch and yarn over, then make 1 chains, 2 and 3, and now yarn over, pull through 2 loops on the hook, and repeat that again. Yarn over twice, make 1 treble crochet into next stitch. Again, yarn over twice, make 1 treble crochet into the next, yarn over twice and make the last treble crochet into the next stitch. And now make 1 puff stitch around all of these 3 treble crochets. Yarn over, insert the hook before the first treble crochet and grab the yarn and pull up a loop. 1 more time, yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, and repeat that 3 more times. 1, 2 and 3. Then go to next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, and yarn over, pull through all loops on the hook. After that, go to next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through that, yarn over, pull through that, and yarn over, pull through that, and now yarn over, pull through next 2 loops. This part should be repeated until the end of the row. I make it one more time. Make 1 treble crochet into each of next 3 stitches. 1, 2, and 3. And then make 1 puff stitch around all 3 treble crochets. Yarn over, insert into the space before these 3 stitches, and make 1 puff stitch here. 3, 4, and 5. And then go to next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, and yarn over, pull through all loops on the hook. Go to the next, yarn over, pull up a loop, 1 chain, 2 chain, 3 chain, and yarn over, pull through 2 loops on the hook, and continue this work until the end of the row. I made row 2, and now start row 3 with a chain and turn the work. In this row, I should make 1 single crochet into each stitch. The first stitch is here. Make 1 single crochet into that. This is the next stitch. That's a puff stitch. And then make 1 single crochet into each of next 3 treble crochets. 1, 2, and 3. Again, go to next stitch, make 1 single crochet here, 1 single into next stitch, and 1 single into each of next 3 trebles. And repeat that until the end. At the end, make 1 single crochet into 4th chain of these beginning chains of previous row, and row 3 is finished. Make 4 chains to start row 4 and turn the work and repeat row 2. Okay, after that we have to repeat these 2 rows, row 2 and row 3, several times until the height of the pattern reach the desired size. I repeated those 2 rows, and this is my pattern at the end. This is the front view of that, and that's back view. I hope this video will be useful for you. If you like that, please don't forget to like and comment and subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day.